This is my Nissan Silvia S15. It's low, it's loud, and it's definitely not a muscle car. And this is a muscle car, mate, full of big power, angry V8s, and may or may not have a bunch of people there who think anything with less than 8 cylinders is the equivalent of a scooter. Today's mission, sneak the S15 into this muscle car, mate, and try my absolute best not to get roasted or kicked out. So let's get into the video, head to the car, mate, and see how we went. Hey guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and in today's video, I'm gonna infiltrate a muscle car meet in my S15 Silvia. I'm not really sure if they're actually gonna let me in because, you know, it is obviously a muscle car meet. I'm gonna try my luck. I'm gonna see if they'll let me in the S15. And shout out to ThatCarLife support who's helping me film today. Here's the meet right here on the left. There's a lot of muscle cars, so I can't see any Japanese cars, to be honest. I don't know, we gotta hope and see if they will let us in. So that's the midweek muscle car club meet. That's the meet that we're going to. So I'll link all their stuff in the description if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, let's have a look and see. We'll see if we're going to get let in.
Jeff, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Mate, any gold coin?
Oh, actually, yeah. I've got...
The big boy from Upspelt will be looking down.
I don't know how many dollars that is, but I've got quite a few gold coins. It's got a V8, so it's just running on 4 cylinders, that's it.
This guy will navigate you and he'll tell you where to park.
Beautiful, thank you.
Enjoy your day, guys.
Appreciate it. We made it in. Mission success, all right. I told him it's a V8, but it's just running on 4 cylinders and it worked, guys. As you can see, we're successfully infiltrating this muscle car meet. We're legit an imposter right now. Have a look. Look at this, muscle cars everywhere. I mean, that's not a muscle car, is it? That's a Lambo. Okay, so a Lambo's infiltrated as well. Have a look at that. It's a fellow imposter right there. We'll park up here next to Sia there. What a plate. Guys, I'm actually stoked that we made it in and we've done this. If you guys are also stoked that we made it in, please hit that subscribe button. It does us an absolute solid. We're parked up. Let's go check out the meet and see the awesome cars that are here. All right, guys, so we're just parked up and hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this music in the background. So I'll try and speak a bit louder so I don't get copyrighted. But yeah, as you can see, we've got the S15 parked up here in the meet. As I said, we've successfully infiltrated this muscle car meet. So it's a great success. How do you think we went sneaking into this muscle car meet?
I think we did very well.
Do we really need to sneak in or did they just let us in?
I think they're going to let us in anyway.
Yeah. As you know, we just got to the meet, but we just found this random person off the street. How are you, mate?
Hello.
Do you think this S15 is meant to be here?
I thought it was a muscle car meet, but then the S15 came out of nowhere. So I think it's the only S15 here.
Yes, that's right. Because
I've obviously never seen this car before. So
we've never met. You've never seen this car.
Never.
You have no idea about the S15.
No.
So yeah, your valid opinion, is this car an imposter in this meet? Has it snuck in?
No, it's valid. It's valid.
We're valid.
It's valid.
Snuck in. It's a V8, you know that.
It's been allowed in, as you can tell.
And you heard it running on 4 cylinders?
And I heard it running on 4 cylinders. That's
because
right.
It's a V8, but obviously it's just not running right.
That's what they say. Yeah.
It fits in well here.
Why are you following some random guy around?
I don't know. I just felt like following him. I like your shirt too.
What's this?
It's a really nice shirt.
What happened?
What happened? Where?
Mr. Drifter.
Is that? Oh no!
Did you do that? You dropped something?
You know what? I must have maybe like my foot or something.
You reckon?
Maybe.
I reckon it'll buff out.
Scratched?
I reckon it'll buff out.
I hope so. Thank you to this kind stranger for pointing that out. That scratch in my side skirt, which I must have done. Is there actually? Okay, guys, let's just stop looking there. Let's stop looking up close.
Why is it here with a scratch side skirt? You know what? Let's go look at the front.
No. Just don't look at the front bumper, please.
What happened here?
Nothing happened, Mr. Drifter.
You've been drifting?
No.
What's this?
You shouldn't drift other people's cars.
Are you going to explain this for the people?
No, it's all right. Everyone knows. The video's up here if they want to check it out. Let's see what happened.
Oh, we've heard there's another one, actually.
What? What do you mean another one?
What's this one?
Okay, well, that's new. I haven't even seen that one.
More drifting.
That's just from scraping. But it's not that noticeable. But, well, thank you for your opinion, kind stranger.
Yes, of course. Hope to see you again.
This Kingswood HQ, this is beautiful. Back when I had my L's and before I had my L's, I really wanted a HQ Kingswood just like this. With a 6-cylinder, obviously, so it's P-plate legal. I remember checking Gumtree, car sales, Facebook back then, and these things were going for like 4 or 5 grand with a 6-cylinder. Interior is absolutely immaculate. This thing looks original, if I'm not mistaken. I really like the red interior. Can't go wrong with one of these, man. I just wish they were still as cheap as they were back then. Yeah, those days are long gone. It's just cool to see one of these in such nice, neat condition. What a beautiful example of a HQ. Guys, we came across this beautiful blue S Pulsar. This is owned by Leonardo, who's an absolute legend, and his Instagram will be up here. One of the cleanest SS's. And a fun fact about this S Pulsar in particular has to do with Ryan's childhood.
Yes, what Jordan's alluding to here, very subtly, is that this was my brother's first car, the S Pulsar.
And how long ago was that? Like what, mid-2000s, early 2000s?
Mate, can't even remember. It was at least 10, 12 years ago.
So you basically grew up in this car, pretty much?
Yeah, pretty much. Did lots of things in this car. Leonardo has no idea.
Is that fact?
Kidding.
Is that cap?
Macca's runs, you know, the usual. Few cruisers, you know, front wheel drive burnouts.
And
you know,
how does
the
it
usual.
feel seeing this car again after all these years?
Yeah, I mean, it's crazy that it looks still the same, pretty much.
Yeah.
Bit of wear and tear from its age, but it's doing well.
Yeah, I mean, it's still, I think, one of the cleanest Triple S Pulsars. Like,
It used to have a big sub in it as well.
Big
I'm sure
subwoofer?
it still exists in the car. It used to have some different wheels on it, so there's a few changes since the last owner.
I just think it's nuts that it's now in the same area that you grew up in, basically.
That's
and-
right, never really left, did it? You know?
Yeah, and you're seeing the same car around, and we know the owner, Leonardo's a legend, and we always see him around in the car. So yeah, I just think that's a pretty cool thing, and that doesn't really happen often.
Great example of a small world, great car.
Found another imposter, a VRX. Very, very clean, BBS wheels, really nice stance. That looks immaculate. Wow, pretty cool. You don't see these cars very often. What do you think for that CarLife support?
Why now? No, I said, how is that an imposter? Isn't it muscle?
That's staying in the vid. The front of this looks immaculate as well. And as you can see, there's a Mitsubishi badge there, which that CarLife support didn't see. Very, very clean. V8s and muscle cars as far as the eye can see. Another beautiful Kingswood right here. This is mad. This is just such a good vibe, guys. Like literally everywhere you look, just old school, classic muscle cars, and what an absolute vibe. This Cortina is beautiful as well. That's clean. That is such a nice car. I think that's a Stingray, if I'm not mistaken.
Owner checks out. Exactly what I thought we'd be driving.
But look what's pulling in right here. This thing's insane. That's cracked. That's hot. That is nuts. And guys, I just came across this really clean RX-7. This is immaculate. Really can't go wrong with an RX-7. Interior is immaculate, and I'm sure this thing braps like no tomorrow as well. Series 2 RX-7, literally can't go wrong. And then you got a hectic RX-2 Capella right next to it. Also SICK 100 racing built. So clean. These guys do some insanely clean and awesome rotaries. Interior is really nice as well. What a sick stance. Looks fat on those Simmons too. And what a hectic car for your green peas. What a legend. That is immaculate. That is so nice. Beautiful. It's just literally just muscle cars everywhere. That's nice. That's immaculate. Guys, I'm gonna show you this car in B-roll because I'm gonna get copyrighted because the speaker's right there. So enjoy these B-roll shots. This Mustang, guys, full scissor doors, full custom painted engine bay with like designs on it. Not something you see every day, especially on a Mustang. So you can see even the wheels have got custom paint in it. It gives me a bit of a sex spec auto salon kind of vibe. Interior's got custom trim and custom work on that dash there. So yeah, pretty cool. Honestly, you can't beat the sound of a V8. Have a look at this FPV, guys. This thing is big power. I had a chat with the owners before. This thing is 1200 horsepower. That is absolutely insane. 1200 horsepower barra. Nice big turbo there, as you can see. Have a look at these wheels too, guys. Obviously, you're going to need some fat tires to make this power stick. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Owners are absolute legends, and what a sick example of an FPV. Oh my God, look at this GT. This is insane. Literally, proper blown, supercharged, sticking out the bonnet. That is absolutely insane. This thing would sound absolutely insane. The wheels, nice Simmons on it, on walls. Can't go wrong. This is just like, when you think of a muscle car, it's exactly what you picture. A nice big blowout out the bonnet, fat Simmons, and a beautiful color and interior. And here's another blown GT. This thing is sick. Really like the bonnet paint, how it's kind of like mixed match with the silver. Just what a vibe. You can't beat having like nice blowers out the bonnet. Wheels are fat. Sunroof as well. Can't go wrong with the sunroof. Interior looks immaculate too. What an epic car. This is immaculate, guys. Can't go wrong with Aussie muscle. The Aussies really knew how to build muscle cars back in the day. Like, this is just fat. Literally the best contrast right here. A stock Mustang right next to a fully blown, fully done up version. Yeah, that's cool, guys. You can literally see the difference, eh? Full stocker, and then right here, fully blown, built version of a Mustang. The variety at this meet is nuts. You honestly can't go wrong with a white GT like this, XY. Guys, we were literally just about to leave the meet, right? And as we got in the car and started it up, Hass pulls up in the S15. Obviously, we can't leave just yet. We've got to have a look at Hass's beautiful S15. And this car's been on the channel quite a lot. I'll link the video up here where he revealed this car at one of the Greenway meets late last year. These wheels that are on this car, if you don't know already, absolutely one of a kind. They were engraved by Biggie Scrolls Engraving, and each wheel has a completely different engraving on it. There's koi fish, as you can see in this one, koi fish, some like Japanese flowers there. I think there's a samurai in the other one. What's all the designs in your wheels again? I know there's koi fish.
Koi fish is front left.
Yeah.
Then dragons are front right.
The front right dragon.
Yeah, and then you got samurai, this rear right.
Yeah.
And then you got a geisha on the rear left.
Every single wheel, something completely different. So one of a kind, guys. 24 karat gold in the middle of the wheels as well. So completely custom. Really, there's nothing like this. The entire aero kit around the car, including the rear lip on the spoiler, the rear skirts, side skirts, front diffuser and lip, is all done by Feared Aero. As you can see, there's their logo there. All mixed in with the little gold flakes all around to keep the theme going along. It looks absolutely beautiful. Option B interior with a custom stitched steering wheel, custom stitched center console, handbrake, gold flakes in the wheel as well. And the roof, it's not on now, but the roof has starlights as well. That actually has shooting stars and everything. So yeah, this car, one of a kind. If you guys want to see this car in more detail and follow Hass's journey with this car and the build, along with another S15 that is currently building, a Spec Art GT, I'll link his channel up at the top and in the description for his new channel. So he's working on a whole bunch of new videos that are going to be dropping soon. So if you guys want to check him out, follow his journey on YouTube and with his cars, everything will be linked down below in the description. Alright guys, so we successfully infiltrated the muscle car meet in the S15, and so did Hass. Hass also successfully infiltrated. Mission success, guys. But what we're going to do now, we're very hungry, so we're going to go for a cruise and go get a nice feed with our S15 Silvia. So it's going to be a whole lot of fun, and I'm going to take you guys along. So let's do it. So we just filled up some petrol, and now we're going to jump back on the road. We are now entering the one and only Bay Street, Brighton Lucerne. So yeah, we've got Hass in front of us. Car's looking fat. This guy's half pulled out on the road. His dose is just next level. I love it. That's how you get to the speed limit in style. As a car guy, nothing comes close to just cruising with your mates, having a blast, just so much fun. You guys know the feeling, nothing like it.
I'm getting overwhelmed.
You can't describe this feeling to non-car people, they just won't get it. Literally the best. So as usual, guys, we're going to end the night the best way possible at
Archie's Burgers.
in Sylvania. Literally cannot go wrong. Hassel's already pulled up. This is the best place for burgers. This is why we love Archie so much, because obviously the food is just next level, but you can eat the amazing food and you have your cars just like right next to you. So pretty cool. I love this place. You guys that are regulars on the channel, you know, we always come here. Never ever gets old. All right, guys, so we're back at the garage. We've got the S15 here, and then you can see a little cheeky 34 oof there. Shout out to Boost Kings. We successfully infiltrated the muscle car meet today. It wasn't that much of a mission to sneak it in, but I'm still proud that we got it in there amongst all the muscle cars. We had an absolute blast down at that meet, and I met so many of you guys too. So everyone that came up and said hello and had a chat, it was awesome to meet you guys. And there was some sick cars down there too, and we had a sick time cruising with Hass's S15, dosing through Brighton and finishing the night with a feed at Archie's. So you honestly can't go wrong doing that. So we had an absolutely awesome time, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this too. So I'll leave the video there, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. And we'll see you in the next one on That Car Life.